Hello friends, I greet you all. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to easily create a QR code for your website or for your business or anything you want to use it for. Okay, it is very easy and straight to the point. Okay, so make sure you watch the video to the end so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so first thing you have to do is to go to canva.com. You can type it on your browser, type canva.com, and it will bring you to this page. Okay, or if you have the app on your phone or on your PC, you can just click on the app and it will bring you to this page. Okay, so once you are here, the next thing you should do is to customize the size of your QR code. Okay, QR code can take any size, provided it can be scannable, okay, using mobile or any other device. Okay, but the general recommendation is 2 cm by 2 cm. Okay, that is 0.8 inches by 0.8 inches. Okay, so let's customize the size. Let's choose the size first. As you can see, I already have 2 cm by 2 cm here. Okay, you can just type your own size here. Alright, then once you are done, you click create new design and allow it to load. Sorry, my internet is very slow today. I don't know what is wrong with my internet today. Alright, so now you will now go to scroll down to apps. Okay, scroll down to apps and click apps. Alright, why is it taking too much time? Alright, now here on the search bar you type QR code. Alright, just type QR code and search for QR code. Oh, this internet is killing my time, honestly. Alright, so these are different type of QR codes. Okay, you can choose any one that suits whatever you want to use it for. So as for me, I can go for this simple one. Just click on it. Sorry guys, sorry, my internet is very slow today. I don't know what is wrong with it. It's taking too much time. Okay, now here the next thing you should do is to impute or paste your URL here. Okay, the URL of your website. Alright, so as for me, I will paste my YouTube URL here. Okay, I have already copied it, so let me simply click Ctrl V to paste it here. Alright, now that I've pasted it here, I will now click generate code. Or if you want to do some customization, if you want to customize, like you can just tweak some certain thing, like maybe change the background color of the QR code. Okay, the foreground color as well, you see, and the margin. But as for me, for the sake of this video, I just want it to be short. I don't want it to be too long. I can just simply click generate code, okay, and it will generate the code. All right, the code has been generated. Okay, look at it here, the QR code. Okay, so you can resize it if you want. You can drag it, resize it, as you wish. All right, so let's just leave it like this. Okay, let's just leave it like this. Okay, so the next thing you should do is to simply download it. Okay, download it and start sharing it with people. So anyone that scans it, it will take the person directly to your website. Okay, so let's download it. You can as well copy the link here and send to people. All right, but let's download it. All right. Yeah, just downloaded. Okay, let's click on it here. Yeah, look at it here. This is it. So if I scan it with my phone, it will take me to my YouTube channel. Okay, so whatever website you put there when you were creating it, once you scan it with your mobile, it will take you direct to that website straight, without wasting time, unless your internet is slow, like my own internet. Hey. So that is it, guys. That is how to easily create a QR code for your website or for your business. Thank you, and see you in the next one.